Talking about that KVM switch. ATEN since '79, straight out of Taiwan. Let's get it, let's get it. Switch between systems, seamless flow. One KVM setup, run the show. Multiple devices with one go. One click magic, watch it glow. Keyboard, video, mouse unite. KVM switch in the spotlight. Multitask is a seamless sight. Transform spaces, make them tight. No more clutter, no more fight. Efficiency's a new night. With a single switch, all is right. KVM power, feel its might. Multi-view agility, watch us navigate through screens where the grace never hesitates. Tight, timeless, cycle, integrate. Perfect signal, where time waits. Learn to less the waste. Workflow streamlined, so slick and quick. 4K clarity, the visuals stick. USB sharing, pick and mix. One click switch like a magic trick. KVM switch in the spotlight. Multitask is a seamless sight. Transform spaces, make them tight. No more clutter, no more fight. Efficiency's a new night. With a single switch, all is right. KVM power, feel its might. Since '79, setting the pace. From Taiwan to your workspace.